Hotter ocean temperatures combined with rising sea levels, imperial coastal regions, worsening a phenomenon that is contributing to storms like Hurricane Harvey. Global warming is the rise in global temperature of our Earth's climate system. The very thing that has brought this issue to an extent is human activities. The burning of coal and oil, agriculture, industries, deforestation, and numerous others. The effect of this have brought situations like a rise in sea levels, warmer temperatures, changes in precipitation, heat waves, ocean acidification, and many more. These bearings have risked our health by altering the air we breathe, the food we consume, and the weather we endure. I will be discussing the outcomes of the Amazon rainforest and the rise in temperature that can be leading to a tipping point. To start, the effects of forest destruction in the Amazon does not stay in the Amazon. They affect us all. Robin Trasdon from the University of Connecticut stated, "The destruction of the Amazon has been occurring month after month, causing more issues to the climate change crisis. The Amazon rainforest has been known for producing most of our Earth's oxygen. Throughout the years, there have been small forest fires due to dry seasons that have brought a toll to climate change. The Amazon has consumed a quarter of the Earth's carbon emissions each year. While absorbing the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, the trees will be reproducing its roots for more trees. As forest fires continue to burn through trees, it can be difficult for new trees to grow." Carlos Nobre, a climate scientist from the University of Sao Paulo in Brazil, stated that the tipping point can happen when deforestation reaches 20 to 25%. Already, the Amazon has lost between 15 to 17% of its rainforest. The deforestation has brought captured carbon to be released in the atmosphere, causing more climate change. The more trees lost can increase the carbon dioxide emissions levels in the atmosphere. While the crisis increases, there will be new patterns in weather changes that can bring havoc to our environment. If we were to lose the Amazon, then we will be losing the war on global warming. Furthermore, based on the NOAA data, in 2018, the global temperature has increased by 1.42 degrees Fahrenheit above the 20th century degree of 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Our planet has been growing warmer over the past century. The rise in heat occurs when green gases are trapped in the atmosphere. This can generate the ocean's temperature to get warmer, and which can affect the polar ice caps melting and people getting exposed to health issues. The ocean has a major role in our everyday lives. It helps soak up carbon emission, provide oxygen for all life forms, and is home to many creatures beneath its surface. With the atmospheric temperature increasing, the ocean's environment absorbs and filters the gases that can warm the weather. As warm water is transported throughout the poles, it can melt the polar ice that are homes to many creatures. Animals like the polar bear tend to struggle to survive in their habitat as it is disappearing under them. They are forced to look for food elsewhere. As the ice melts, it can raise the levels and bring floods to cities near the ocean. According to the National Snow and Ice Data Center, as of September 18, 2019, the Arctic sea ice expansion had descended to 4.5 million square kilometers, making it the second on record. Another issue is the health risks exposed to people from global warming. As a change in temperature continues to expose unhealthy air, it is compromising human health with respiratory problems and other diseases. The lack of safe water, the increase in mosquitoes, and a drop in stable food production will put more people at risk for illnesses. As stated in the World Health Organization, they have estimated that roughly 250,000 deaths will occur between 2030 and 2050 due to malnutrition, malaria, diarrhea, and heat stress. Global warming is a serious threat to the environment and the human race that should be a priority. It has caused extreme weather events like forest fires, drought, sea level rises, increase in temperature levels, health issues, and other impacts. The Amazon has a major purpose in our planet's global warming dilemma. As it is known as the lung of our planet, the deforestation of the Amazon can bring difficult problems to the entire Earth's temperature and ecosystems. Temperature is a growing concern for the economy. The more it rises, the more we are not able to reverse the consequences that have been done to our planet. To conclude, unless we put an end to global warming, or it will end us.